folks, new greenhouse is up, stocked and ready for you to come out and see. All the dirts and everything you need, raised beds as well. Got a pretty good selection of spring vegetables and greens, so cauliflower, with some cabbages, peas, kale, lettuce, quite a bit more over there too, and a nice selection of herbs ready for you as well. Strawberry plants are ready, we've got some rhubarb over there as well, and some asparagus. Come on out, we hope to see you at the farm. We're open Monday through Saturday 9 to 5. Come on out and look around. And then we also have the drive-through pickup. If you want to place an order, we can serve you in the drive-through as well. Fully stocked, enjoying spring and enjoying the warmer weather, and hope to see you at the farm soon.